Last Sunday, we went to the Zitnik Swap Meet and Sidewalk Sale. It's been a long week. We've been busy with doctor appointments, so I didn't get a chance to put it out, but here it is right now. All right, here we are on our way to Zitnik's Swap Meet. It's a little bit over a 2-hour drive. We had to eat at McDonald's this morning because it's Sunday and Chick-fil-A is closed.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it's we set the clocks back last night, so it's 7:26 right now. It feels like 8:26. So we're on our way, 2-hour drive, nice cool day. It's only 62 degrees. Can you imagine that? That's pretty cool since it's been like in the 90s, high 80s for the past couple of weeks. I hope it's finally starting to get down. So here we go. Debbie's looking for some N-scale stuff. So
Yeah, he didn't have to wake me up twice.
yeah, here we go.
Woo-hoo.
All right. Woo. Are you excited?
I am.
Okay, here we are.
Let's go.
Zitnik's. Okay, it's 20 after 9. We've made it. We're in a McDonald's parking lot.
Yes.
All right, so here we are. We're inside Zitnik, and Debbie's got some stuff. There she is. She's looking. She's having a good time in here. Okay, here's the sidewalk parking lot sale.
They're going to have another one next month. No,
Yeah.
wait.
It's a train show, December 2nd, at the Performing Arts Center. But they're having
No,
another
they
one of
said
these.
They're going to have one of these in February.
February, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so here is the parking lot sidewalk sale. Debbie took me broke.
What?
Yeah. Okay, and got a lot of stuff out here for Debbie, and a lot of stuff for me and Debbie inside. So we ran out of money. Yeah, we ran out of money now.
Yeah. We gotta go.
Yeah, we gotta go now. Ran into a few people along the way while we was there. Leonard, who is at all the train shows, I didn't get a selfie with him, but also James Strite, who informed me that I had the wrong date up for the Zitnik Swap Meet. So thank you, James, and Robert Sacco. So he's always there at the Zitnik Swap Meets. All right, we stopped here at racetrack in Pinellas Park. Gonna have to get the gas because it was $2.83 when we left Sebrings. It was $3.13 at all the gas stations. So I had to top it off, and then Debbie had to get a muffin right there.
Yeah.
And she gave me half of it.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna head back home now. Just got back from Zitnik Sidewalk Sale in Pinellas Park today, and this is what we got. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4 bags, and that little box right there. Most of it is Debbie's. She spent, well, let me say, I spent twice as much than Debbie did on her. So look for it on the Monday night live stream. We'll have a train show haul at 8 p.m. to see what is in those bags right there. We'll see you then. As you can see, the big reason for this swap meet was to get supplies for Debbie's N-scale adventure. We're going to call it the Itty Bitty Railroad, from a lot of different suggestions we got on the live stream. I'm just going to put a couple up here, and we picked one, but it was my choice because she liked Bite Size Railroad. I can't remember who did that, and Debbie's Little Trains and Southern Junction, and Debbie's and Hers Trains, and Bone Spur Southern because she's got a bone spur now, and Debbie's Tiny Railroad, and Debbie's or Bone Spur and Western, Debbie's Railway, Debbie's Tom's Trains and Things. It was his railroad, Debbie's Express, Debbie's Trains and Things, Debbie's Rooms and Things, and that's it. And we settled on Itty Bitty Railroad because she liked the little part of it. There was two in there, bite size, and Debbie's Little Trains, so we went with Itty Bitty Railroad. So you're going to be seeing more on this, and I got a short clip here of me pulling up the tracks, HO tracks on her layout. So enjoy. Debbie's going to be happy now because the tracks are all up. Ooh, I kinked that a little bit right there where I got that soldered. All right, so I got flex track and another piece of flex track. Did that on a curve. This was on a curve. And this was the other three curves. So, and this was the other part of the curve right there. So, we're good to go. Now I just have to find the other totes. And here's what it looks like back here. Not too much room because I got my G-scale stuff back here. I got a bunch of track. The G-scale track in the bag right there and the LGB thing. And here's the other half of the N-scale layout that I had right there. That's the other loop on the other side. So we'll be able to use that somewhere around here. We'll figure it out. Well, Debbie is on her way now to building her empire in N-scale. We may do some changes over there to get a little bit more room because that's a pretty big area. I had it set up for HO, but we'll have more on this later. So until the next time, we'll see ya and have fun building your model railroad.